Workplace injuries can happen to anyone, at any time. But what's most important is how we respond afterward to ensure they don't happen again. In this video, we'll walk through the steps you should take after an injury to prevent future incidents. Step 1 is the immediate response. First, make sure the injured person receives the necessary medical attention. This might involve basic first aid or calling emergency services. Next, notify your supervisor or manager about the incident right away. Quick reporting helps to address the injury effectively and sets the stage for a thorough investigation. Step 2 involves reporting the incident as required by your employer. Reporting and documenting the incident is crucial. Complete the incident report using the forms provided by your employer. You should document all the details: who was involved, what happened, where, when, and why. Be as specific as possible, including any contributing factors. This process is not about assigning blame, but understanding the full picture of what went wrong. Step 3 is the incident investigation. A thorough investigation should follow as soon as possible after the incident. This involves analyzing the incident site, gathering evidence, and speaking with witnesses. The goal is to identify root causes, not just the immediate cause, but any underlying factors that contributed to the injury. This might include equipment malfunctions, lack of training, or unsafe work practices. Step 4 involves implementing corrective actions. Once the investigation is complete, it's time to take action. Develop a plan that addresses the identified root causes. This could involve updating procedures, enhancing training programs, fixing equipment, or improving workplace layouts. Make sure these actions are communicated clearly to all employees and provide the necessary training to implement them. And Step 5, which is continuous monitoring and improvement. Safety doesn't stop after corrective actions are in place. Continuously monitor the changes to ensure they are effective. Regularly review safety protocols and encourage employees to provide feedback. Safety is a shared responsibility, and everyone's input is valuable in making the workplace safer. By taking these steps after an injury, we can prevent future incidents and create a safer work environment for everyone. Remember, every injury is a learning opportunity. Let's work together to make safety a priority, every day, for everyone.
Did you know that in 2020, a study conducted by the Associated Builders and Contractors found that daily safety toolbox talks lead to a remarkable 82% reduction in total recordable incident rates compared to those conducted monthly? The study shows that the frequency of toolbox talks directly correlates with incident rates. Consistent safety toolbox talks lead to less accidents, which is why many companies this year are using Safely EO to create and schedule these talks weeks and months in advance, so your team will be consistently reminded of the job hazards and safety protocols. You get access to Safely EO's Toolbox Talk library that comes with hundreds of text-based and video-based toolbox talks that covers any industry. The Toolbox Talk app makes it easy for your employees and supervisors to consume safety talks from their own mobile devices and acknowledge its completion at the click of a button. All completed safety talks are tracked, and the data can be exported and available for use. The platform digitizes your safety talks process, so you can focus on what really matters: keeping your team safe and informed. Don't wait until it's too late. Workplace incidents can cost your company millions in liability, lost productivity, and damaged reputation. To learn more, just click the link in the description of this video to request a quick demo.